Welcome to Alegria, Amaris model. This stunning 5-bedroom single detached house is located in the exclusive Marilao, Bulacan. This model offers unparalleled space, comfort, and style. Step inside and be captivated by the spacious and elegant living area, perfect for relaxation or entertaining guests. The dining area is an ideal space for family meals or hosting dinner parties. The modern kitchen is a culinary enthusiast's dream. Equipped with ample counter space and top-of-the-line appliances, it's perfect for whipping up delicious meals. A unique feature of this home is the ground floor bedroom, perfect for elderly family members or guests who prefer easy access. The second floor boasts four spacious bedrooms, each designed with comfort in mind. The master bedroom offers a private sanctuary, while the other bedrooms provide versatility for family members or guests. The second, third, and fourth bedrooms on this floor are spacious and versatile, perfect for children, family members, or even a home gym. A shared bathroom ensures comfort for all. The master bedroom is a luxurious retreat, featuring an ensuite bathroom and plenty of space to unwind after a long day. Living in this exclusive subdivision means enjoying top-notch amenities such as a pedestrian linear park, walking and jogging paths, an outdoor gym, a playground, and a sports and leisure center. Plus, there's an events venue for your special occasions and an adjacent proposed commercial town center for added convenience. Thank you for joining us on this tour of the Amaris model. Your dream home awaits in this prime location. Contact us now for more details and to schedule a visit.